So, hi guys. Yeah, it's me again. Back like I never left. This place is amazing. I can't wait to show you guys around. I'm gonna show you guys around. But first, basically, this first video is me cooking. Yeah. So before I forget, I'm actually cooking rice with stew. That's with potatoes and meat. Yeah, that's basically just it. Okay guys, so I'm waiting for the water to like dry up completely so I can put my onions, and then the water for the rice is still boiling. Oh, it's still heating up, not at boiled. I have my onions here and my ho-ho over there. What do you guys call ho-ho though in English? My bad. Yeah, having the rice here. I need to like remove the dirt and all the potatoes. Oh my god, this place looks messy, but oh well. I'm still peeling the potatoes. I haven't finished. I've blended the tomatoes. Well, like 3 tomatoes. Basically, that's just it. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys like the end result. But yeah, that's just it. The water is drying up, so let's do this. Done. I know you can't hear me clearly because of this, but I'm almost done. Like my rice is already almost ending a few minutes from now. So I just wanna put this. I wanna put this in the meat, then put the tomatoes. Yeah, basically that's much of it. I'm not really a chef. I just thought, you know. At this point, I just realized I don't know how to cook. Well, that's honestly, on this guys, let's just wait for the end result, because your girl here, by the look of things, so guys, I am done cooking and I'm so tired. I am hungry, but oh well, let's see how this turned out. I think I tried, right? I don't know if you can see clearly, but I think I tried. And the stew looks delicious. I can't wait to try this though. The stew is a bit thicker, right? It's like thick, but oh well, definitely is worth it. So yeah, that's it. I'm done, like done cooking. So yeah, I'll just try it out and I want to know that it tastes. Okay, so in a second or in a few or in a minute, let's see how it goes. The food is perfect. I loved it. I enjoyed it. Just a little bit of salt. I'm not really good at salt. I just put like a minimum. So if you need extra, you add it for yourself. But the food is amazing. I'm still gonna finish this though. No, it looks messy and all, but I'm done. And yeah. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys love it. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Cheers.